Alright, so as you've seen when I use this positioner that we built, you gotta have some way to steady my hand. I know they make all kinds of different steady rests out there. For right now, I've got this clamp cobbled together. So I think I can turn this adjustable bar clamp into a really cool steady rest. At the end of this, Duke let us know how many paws it is. Good boy. Because I like this to be adjustable in case I'm welding something much higher. So I'm going to go a little taller than what I should. I can always cut it later. Alright, so I always keep a couple of these 1/2-inch bolts in stock. And these are what I use for the tables. So normally just cut the threads off and use the body of the bolt. Alright, so make sure everything's perpendicular. Get a couple tacks on it. Okay, so word of advice, don't try to weld steel with AC. Alright, the miller switched over. Let's try this again. So now what we're going to do, in order to lock it to the table, I'm going to cut off the clamp section of one of these so that it works like a normal clamp on the table. That way when it goes into the table, it just goes in and then it'll lock right onto the table. Fair warning, don't grab something when it's hot. Damn, that's hot. And I got to get feeling back in my fingers. So next, we need to take the clamp section off. That'll go here. Now I need to put a piece of tube that runs across. I could take this and just weld it to it, and I think that would do us really well. Alright, so far so good. So I'm just curious how out of level it is. Well, I don't know that I need to correct for that. Well, the old saying, I'd rather be lucky than good. She's level. Alright, so we put a little yellow paint on it. We'll lock the handle down. And then I'll be able to rest right here. It's not big, it's not flashy, but for about $14 or $15 worth of parts, okay, 20, because you got to sacrifice one of your other clamps. Nice, easy, steady rest for you. If you don't want the threads on it, cut them off. And if you're interested in seeing the positioner build, let me know in the comments. Okay, Duke, how many paws do you give this project? Good boy. You can move this anywhere you want, easy when you're welding. And speaking of welding, I'll see you in this video for more welding.